Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can make $100 a day domain flipping. Now this is really simple to do. You do not need any skills, you don't need any experience, and it's available worldwide. And in this video I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to share the website that you can use to go and find these expired domains. Once you've got your expired domain, I'm going to share the website where you can go and get that domain valued and you can see exactly how much that domain's worth. Once you know that, I'm going to share with you where you can go and sell that domain, and then at the end of the video what I'm going to do is I'm going to share a software with you that you can use to go ahead and build websites instantly in 2 minutes. It's very cool, it's very simple, it's easy to do. And if you didn't want to go ahead and go through this process of finding domains and getting them valued and then going and flipping them, this software that I'll show you at the end, it builds out websites entirely for you. Once that website has been built, you can then go ahead and flip that actual website. So I've got a couple of different options for you in this video. So before we jump into the video, very quickly, we'll go ahead and we'll have a look at the winners for the course. So if we just jump over onto YouTube, let's go and have a look at this. So I did this video last week. This was for 200 subscribers, and I said anyone who commented below was going to go ahead and give them access to one of my courses, whether that's the Earn Money Online or the traffic generation one. So if we're just going to come down here, we've got, I said I was going to do a random generator for this. Now looking at this, there isn't that many comments on here, so what I'm going to do is let's go ahead and have a look. So United Always, Krisha, and also Dean down here. If you guys drop me a message on YouTube, just send it to the YouTube inbox. I'll then send you a code so you can go ahead and get one of my courses for free. You can pick whichever ones you want, it's not a problem. So message me on YouTube and I'll send you a code over for the courses. If you're interested and you want to go ahead in the next giveaway, it's really simple to do. Like the video, comment below, and then what I do is I do a random YouTube generator, and then you can go ahead and win one of my courses. I've got 6 different courses that you can go ahead and pick from. I've got one about earning online and working from home. I've got some about making money on Quora. I've got courses on Steamer. Then I've also got courses on affiliate. I've got a few courses. So if you want to go ahead and win a course, just really simple. Like the video, comment below, and then we're going to go ahead and announce a winner tomorrow. So let's go over into today's video. So how do you find expired domains? So we're going to go over here to this website here. Now this website here is called domainhole.com. Now on here what you can do is you can find domains which are either expired or they're expiring in a couple of days. So all you do on here is it's really simple. You come to domainhole.com and then you simply type in a keyword or a phrase which you would like to go ahead and find any domains related to this term here. So I've gone on domain hole here and I've typed in weight loss, and you've got more filters on here. You can filter this if you want to, and I never have done, to be honest with you. I just put in the keyword, then I come down here and I look at the domains. So you can see there's currently 3,591, very precise, domains which are due to be expiring or they're available to go ahead and buy. So you can see on the left hand side here, this is the domain name. This is where you can go ahead and purchase it via GoDaddy. And then you've got all of these different things on here. So you've got how old the website is on here, and then you've got these things along here. I wouldn't worry too much about this. This Moz ranking, this just basically means that the domain authority of the website. If it does have a domain authority, then it's better than not having domain authority. You've got other things on here like backlinks and the Alexa ranking and everything, but the main thing you want to be focusing on really predominantly is the price. So the price that this domain is going for, and you can see here, so this one here, this first one, 101 free weight loss tips. This is the current price that they're asking for it, and the actual domain expires in 101 days. Now, obviously, the more budget you've got to go ahead and spend on this, then the better it is going to be for you. Because if you could go ahead and you could pick up a website which has got a good Moz domain authority and it's also got backlinks and a decent Alexa ranking, then you're going to be able to go ahead and flip that for more. But you do find some gems in here, and I've found some gems in the past before myself. I've gone ahead and picked up some domains in here. I've picked up domains in here for $15, and then within the next day I've gone ahead and flipped them for $150. It's simple to do. You just got to spend a little bit of time going through here and finding them. So I know at this moment in time I've not even logged into the account. So here you just click on get started. You can go through and then just start doing this, but you don't have to sign up. You can simply just come to domain hole and just go through and start searching for these, and you can have a look at all of these different weight loss, these different URLs or domains on here, and you just go through and you find one. So I found this one here. So this 30-day weight loss exercise plan.com. You can see on here the current price for this is $12, and this domain expires in 3 days. So in 3 days this domain here will be available to buy, and if you wanted to get in before then, you can go ahead and purchase it for $12. If you click on here, it opens it up. This one here is available via GoDaddy. You can see this is the current bid, so it's currently bid up to $12. So how it works is you would go ahead and you'd put your bid in. You just place your bid, and then once the 3 days is up, you'll find out whether you've gone ahead and won that domain or not. So this website here, this is domainhole.com, and it's really simple to do. It's really easy. You just type in your keywords and then you go through and you can search, and there's hundreds and hundreds of different pages in here. You will find websites which are due to expire soon, and then you'll also find websites which have actually expired also. So once you've got your domain in here, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and get that domain valued. Now, a website you can use for free is this one here. If I go over to here, it's this one here, and it's called Freevaluator.com. So all you simply do is you would paste in the domain, whichever one you're looking at purchasing, into here and click on Valuate, and then I'm not going to press it now because it takes a couple of minutes for it to go ahead and load up and process, but basically you paste the domain in here, you click on Valuate, and then you wait a couple of minutes, and then it will tell you all of the information about that website. It will tell you the domain authority, the backlinks leading into it, how much it's currently worth. Sometimes as well, if the domain's a couple of years old, it will also provide you like a screenshot of how the website or domain used to look and how it currently looks now. So this is freevaluator.com. You can see here you can create a free account. It's really simple to do. It's really easy to do. There is also a premium version of this, but again, you don't need this, and you absolutely don't need this. So this is just some of the different stuff that I will go ahead and share with you on here. So you go over to domain hole, you find your domain, you then come over to freevaluator.com, you get your valuation. Once you've got your valuation, you can then go ahead and look at where you're going to go and flip that website or that domain and go and sell that. So the best place to go ahead and sell domains is over on this website here, and it's called flipper.com. Now again, this is absolutely free to go ahead and join, and all you're doing on here is along the top here you've got browse assets. Now I've just gone into the domains the domains tab, and then you can scroll down here and you can find all of these different domains which people are selling on here. So this is where you would effectively go and list your domain. Now you've got editor's choice, you've got different domains where the reserve has been met, and then on the right hand side you've also got ending soon. So effectively you could actually as well, and I've done this in the past myself, I've actually bought domains on here myself and then relisted them in a couple of weeks time and made money from doing so. So it's a really simple way to go ahead and make some extra money online. And on here, if you were to go ahead and click into any of these on here, so let me go and show you this one here. So reserve met, let's click on buffet.net. This has currently got 7 days left on the auction, and it's currently got a bid of $605. But in here, all you would be doing in here is you'd be putting in as much information as possible about the domain. And when on here as well, what it will also do is when some of these domains are actually linked to websites as well, obviously. So what will happen is if it's a website, it will show you on here, it will show you visitors to the website, it will also potentially show you sales, it will show you revenue from Google Ads. So some of these domains on here, they'll be running ads on the website, and it will show you all of that. So you can see here this buffet.net, it's 1 year old. Oh, aged one word. Oh, so currently it's a 17-year-old website. If you sign in, then you go ahead and you get more information about this. Now, if I just scroll down here, let me find some more stuff on here for you. In fact, let me go ahead very quickly and sign in so you can see this. So I'll just quickly sign into my Flipper account so you can go ahead and see this. Hang on. Click on here, sign in, log in here. So once you've created an account on Flipper, and again it is free to create an account on Flipper. Once you've created an account and you're logged in, you can go ahead and you can see all of the information about the domain or the different website that you're looking at buying. But basically what you would be doing is, once you've found your domain, you can then come over to Flipper, you can list that domain on here, you'd fill in the relevant information, you would put on your reserve price that you want, that you'd be prepared to let the domain go for, and then you would get all this on here. So you can see on here, this one here, this is the buffet.net. You can see when the domain was registered, when it's due to expire. You can see it's currently 17 years old, and then if you scroll further down, it will give you all the information about the website. And this is the same when you're buying the domain. Whenever you're buying the domain, you will get all this information on here. But you can see, so comparable, so this is other websites within the same sort of niche down here. It goes through the listing terms, and then again you've got questions or concerns about this. But that there is pretty much the process and the different websites that you would go ahead and use. So you can see one last thing as well. This is a good thing to go ahead and include whenever you're listing anything on Flipper yourself. So you can see here, SDBot appraised. So this SDBot appraised, this is how much they've valued this website at here. So whenever you're listing something on here, you would simply put freevaluator.com, freevaluator.com appraised price is X, and then you'd put that price in here, and you just simply put in as much information about this as you want. So this is a really simple way to make money online. You don't need any experience, you don't need any skills. The only thing you do need is some money to go ahead and do this. Now, going ahead and finding domains and then going and getting them valued and then coming over to Flipper, it's a simple process, and it takes time. If you want to go ahead and pretty much take away all of that time, and you want to go ahead and get these domains and blogs built for you instantly, there's a course that I recommend, and don't worry, it's not an expensive course. It's a course and it's a software all in one, and it basically builds websites and domain. You take a domain and a website, and it builds out a complete blog or a complete website in literally a couple of minutes. I'll go ahead and show you. It's $12, so it's not expensive at all. It really isn't. And for what you get, it's a really, really great product. Now, come down here. I'll go ahead and show you this. This back up here. So this is the product here. It's called Profiteer, and again I'll drop a link to this below for you. In fact, I did a review on this quite a while ago. Now, it talks about what it does, but what I really like about this course and the reason why I recommend this, I mean, you've got testimonials on here about, it's easy to implement, it's easy to understand, you can make money quickly with this. If we just come down here, I'm just going to show you what you actually get included on here, because this is why I really like this course. I do not review many courses. I've probably only reviewed about 6 courses on this channel in the past 6 months. This was one of the courses that I went ahead and I reviewed. Now, it's broken down into 3 steps on here. They've got videos on here. So what happens is they've got about 8 training videos on here, and it shows you how you go ahead and you use the software that they provide for you to go and get your blogs or your websites up and running. So you watch the videos, and you see here it says less than 30 minutes setup time, and that includes watching the training video. So you watch the training video, you use the automated software, and then this goes ahead and, like I said, it creates these websites for you. I mean, it says here it takes less than 60 seconds. It absolutely does. Once you've set it up, you just click on run, and it runs, and it absolutely builds out these blogs and these websites for you. They look really, really good. They look professional. And then step 3 is it shows you, so it says here, list your offers on our premium platform at no cost. So they go ahead and they show you exactly how to go ahead and list your blog or your website on different platforms like Flipper and a couple of other ones. So it's a really great course. So if you don't want to go ahead and go and look for domains, go and get them valued, and then go over to Flipper. If you want a really simple and a really fast way to make money doing this process, then I highly recommend this product here. It's really simple, it's really easy, and it works very, very quickly. There's lots of testimonials on here. Yeah, like I say, I'll drop a link back over to this page here before you. There's also case studies in here as well. There's some really good case studies on here. They show you different blogs that they set up. They showed you where they went ahead and found the content to put on the blogs, and like I said, they just show you the whole process. It's really simple. The case studies include how they made like $350 on one blog. There's another one where it shows you $800 on a blog, and they're all done within the space of 2 or 3 days. So I highly recommend this product. I'll drop a link below to this. If you have any questions whatsoever, then please leave them below, and don't forget, lastly, just go ahead, subscribe, like the video and comment below, and then tomorrow we'll be announcing more winners for some more free courses. So thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.